Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an NFT, which is a non-fungible token. Now, you may be wondering, what is a non-fungible token? Well, in the modern age of investment, cryptocurrency is all around. And if you want to get into the newest and up-and-coming trend and have some chance to make some money while being a good investor, well, NFTs are the thing for you. So, what is an NFT? An NFT is part of the crypto scene. So, we're going to be getting into the crypto scene. Now, an NFT uses the Ethereum Blockchain, and that is how your NFT is going to have value. Now, you do not want to miss out on this NFT opportunity. I know a lot of my friends think that NFTs could end up being a scam, but I think you'll find that is not the case, as it only goes up, and that is good. So, how do I make an NFT? Well, a common misconception is that NFTs are actually hard to make, but this is actually wrong. It's actually really easy. In fact, it's so easy, all you have to do is use bad art. So I made an NFT I made mine on Paint today. Really like this one, pretty proud of it. This guy's obviously been doing some bicep curls. So I just drew this. And now the way you get your NFT sold is you just gotta open up Twitter. So I've got Twitter open here, and I'm just gonna made this NFT, and then exclamation mark. Actually, I'll swap that around. Got to keep the grammar up. Okay, here we go. All right, I just did that tweet. All right, let's check my Ethereum portfolio. And would you look at that? I am making a lot of Ethereum. There's 3.8, 5.6. Look, it just keeps going up. I don't know if you can see this, but my Ethereum is going up. That's a 19 at the end. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys can see how easy it is for you to make an NFT of your own. And you should get into the scene now. It only goes up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next crypto finance video.